having great political and military importance. Rijal Alma has been known for their involvement in the wars for a long time. There were many fortresses, which were built to protect trading roads and deter aggressive tribes. Among these, Rijal Castle was one of the biggest and most strategic one. This multi-story castle was built on a lush green mountain edge, from where the whole city could have been monitored. During the Ottoman reign, in order to go down to Mahayel from Abha, the soldiers must have to pass Rijal Alma and become exposed from the side, and come under the attack of the tribes of Rijal Alma from such castles. The Ottomans realized the seriousness of those active political movements in Rijal Alma during its reign over the region, and gathered a huge army of 50,000 soldiers, led by Ahmed Pasha, to eliminate them. Ahmed Pasha managed to occupy Khamis, Abha, and Al-Saqa, but was defeated in Rijal Alma, and then the Asiri tribes forced the signing of the independence of Asir from the Ottoman Empire. This was on the August 28, 1825, and the convention was the first of its kind in the Arabian Peninsula. Rijal Alma were able to defeat Ibrahim Pasha when he decided to attack the village to bring it under the Ottoman rule in 1835. And it is worth mentioning that Ibrahim Pasha was the one who annihilated the first Saudi state that extended its territory to most parts of the Arabian Peninsula.